No, you gotta stay in there. I gotta go back to work. No, no, no. What? What? You gotta stay in there. I can't hold you all the time. I think we're holding you too much. You gotta stay in there and take a nap. You're supposed to sleep for 18 hours, 18 to 20 hours a day at your age. Yeah. Oh, you escape artist. You little escape artist. You're okay. You're okay. No, no, no. Stay in there. No, no, no. My little escape artist. No. No. You gotta stay in there. It won't come and return. Can you say hello, everybody? I am Danny. Yeah, alright. You're so cute. She's so cute. And he wins. Alright, you win. You win. Now I know what everybody means about the Flash.